Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to my channel, Tech Wizard Khushbu. I hope you have watched the previous video. In that video, we have discussed about the consolidating of data in Excel. Today, in this video, I'm going to explain what if analysis tools. So, what if analysis tools help you to use different sets of values in one or more formulas so that you can explore the various results. In this, we have three subtools, that is Scenario Manager, Goal Seek, and Data Table. So today we are going to discuss this Scenario Manager. So let me show you. I have this data for a loan amount. I want to calculate the EMI for this. Now, how Scenario Manager will help? Like if I have choices for three banks and three different banks are providing me the three different interest rate. So I want to check the different EMI values that can be provided by banks at different available interest rate. So first I have to apply one function over here, that is PMT. PMT function is used to calculate EMI. So first, this is the rate and I want monthly EMI, so I have to divide it by 12. Then NPER is the number of months in which you want to pay the loan amount. The present value of the loan is 50 lakhs. Future value, it is the optional option and you can leave it. And the type is, it is 0 because I want the payment at the end of the period. Or this is the optional field, you can skip also. Now I am applying this and as you can see, it is giving me the negative result, minus 43. Because this is the EMI result, EMI value that you need to pay. And whatever you are paying, it is going out of your pocket. So it is showing negative value. Now, how I can use this Scenario Manager? Go to Data Tools, Data, tab, and here you have what if analysis. So here select Scenario Manager. Let me just... Now first I need to, like, this 10% is provided by SBI. So I'm just giving the name of SBI here. The changing value, these are the changing values. You have to skip the EMI because this is the various values that I am getting after the change in interest rate. So I have added this. Now I want to check it for 15%. So I'm giving the name, like this is by HDFC. It is always advisable then whenever you are giving scenario name, it should be related to your content. Now it is added. Now I want to check for 20% also. So it is provided by ICI Bank, right? Now these three scenarios I have been added. Just a second. These scenarios, so whenever I want to check the different values of EMI provided by different banks. So now I'm checking for HDFC. You can click on show and it will show you the result. Now HDFC is providing 20% interest rate. So the EMI would be minus 83,550 approximately. Then for ICI, it is 10%. The EMI would be 43,000 approximately. So in this way, you can explore different EMI amount at the given different interest rate. This is the work of Scenario Manager. Now you want to print the summary of this. You want to check the entire report of this. So you can click on summary. There will be a sheet added to your workbook. This will show you the summary of different banks that you have taken. As you can see the data, My current values are these, and if I am taking from SBI, then interest rate would be 15% and my EMI would be this, my 63,000 approximately. Then this is for HDFC and this is for ICM. So in this way, we can use scenario manager to manage and view data from different input values. I hope you understood this topic, and please hands-on with these different values. And if you have any problem, you can mention in comment box. God bless you all. Take care, everyone.